like a diesel mechanic over here.
Oh, I just started recording.
Oh,
So,
shit.
I don't know if you guys remember this thing. He hasn't been here in a minute.
True.
But, this is going to be a video about us rolling my fenders on my Civic and / little update on the other Civic project we had. So, you want to explain or you want me to explain?
I got it. So, that white Civic.
All right, let's turn this off.
Okay, so that white Civic that we got together, you know, the one we took the coils and the front end off of it, you know. Basically,
bro.
What happened, I was supposed to keep that as a daily. That didn't really work out. I had to move the car because the manager where I live was being a bitch about it.
Yep. And I think we told you guys we were having issues with the registration and all that. That's why we didn't want to he didn't want to start buying parts for it.
And so basically what ended up happening was I moved it out to the street. 3 days later it got towed.
With my wheels on?
With his wheels on. Only to find out it was under our friend's name the whole time, not the person who sold it to us. So all this time I could have registered it, gotten a new title for it under my name. I could have been running that fucking thing already. But it got towed, and then we had to go pay a fee to get it out. We got it out, and I'm selling it to another friend, but those two know each other, so
they should get it figured out.
Yeah, they'll get it figured out.
So,
RIP white Civic.
Yep, project car is over. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do anything to it.
Other than a new exhaust. So.
He did get a new exhaust, and I did get my coilovers and my front end.
And
so
yeah,
at least you still got this though.
Yeah.
But the bitch is thinking about selling it like a queer.
Yeah.
Come on, bro, get your shit together.
Look at that. Fucking.
So we're pretty much done with both sides. I know we started recording on this side, but we were having technical issues with the fender roller, and we rolled the other side. But now we're back to this side, and we're done. And we got a mascot for the channel.
True.
Hey yo,
Bobby.
Bobby.